Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, I'll show you a shortcut thanks to which you can fastly turn on and off this mode, and after that I'll show you how you can actually customize it. So let's begin with, as I said, shortcut. We have to unroll the top bar and right here in this section we have to find the reading mode, which is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device, I believe, because we do not have any other option to choose from. Let's check also here, but only here we've got the available toggles. So for sure we are looking for the reading mode. All you have to do is to basically tap on it, and I'm not really sure if it is visible, but it's not. So the screen did not change a lot. I basically will show you how to set the reading mode more yellowish. You can turn it off the same way. In order to customize this mode, we have to enter the settings. Let's scroll down and tap on the display. And as you can see here, we've got the reading mode. So let's tap. So let's turn it on first of all. And as you can see, the effect is really soft and not really visible. You should see a basically yellow screen in order to filter the blue light, so it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So as you can see, we've got two different modes, the classic one and the paper one, and the only difference here is that in the paper the background will look a little bit like a paper texture. Of course I'll show you both, but let's start with a classic one. As you can see, we've got the color temperature switcher, so by going to the left we can make it much cooler. And the difference is not really that visible, but by going to the right we can make it warmer, and right now it is visible that the screen is more yellow, more amber, so it will be easier for you to look at the screen at night, for example. What is more, here we've got the preview, so you can check how it will affect the colors which your device displays. I will stick with the warmest option, and here we've got the paper, so let's tap on it also. Alright, and as you can see, again we've got the color temperature, so it works the same. However, here we've got also the texture option, and I'm not really sure if it will be visible on the video, but after setting it to the strongest, sharpest option, your device will display this black background like a paper. Of course, by going to the left you can smoothen out this effect. You can check also the colors. We've got the full colors, light colors, and black and white. By setting light colors, you can see on the preview that the colors will be a little bit dull and washed out, or you can set black and white, and obviously everything will be monochromatic. It's up to you, but I think I will stick with full colors. Of course, you can restore defaults here. What is more, you can schedule that feature, which simply means that you can set it in particular hours, so your device will automatically turn it on and off at proper chosen by you time, or you can set good night's read, which simply means that your device will automatically decide when the sun sets and sunrises, or it is, I believe, location based, so it's up to you really which option you'd like to use. I prefer to keep this option manual, so I can decide when I want to turn it on and off. Alright, so basically this is it. This is how to fastly turn on and how to customize the reading mode or eye comfort mode in your Xiaomi 12S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.